guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Yume twin box from June. I know I did not post anything in June. I am so sorry. Life has been literally so busy lately. I have so many videos I have to film. I have some super duper exciting news to tell all of you soon. Hopefully soon, like in the next few weeks I'm hoping, but we will see. There's just like, my life is changing a lot in the next few months, so I'm super excited and I will take you guys on that journey with me. I have some other stuff that has happened over the last like month and a half that I need to film about as well. I've got lots coming for you, I just have to actually do it, so I'm working on it now. But this is where we're starting, Yume twins box from June. Hopefully this is an exciting box, we will see. And I'm gonna open it with my own fingers this time because I left my knife somewhere. Ooh. Okay, so this is the cute little book in here. If there's anything cute in it, I would expect there to be, but lately there hasn't been. But that's the little book in this. This looks cute though. Oh my gosh, this is a hat! Guys, look at how cute! Oh my goodness, this is adorable. These are like hard. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. That's adorable. I'm gonna totally wear this thing in the winter. When I'm excited, I'll be like, that's awesome. How cute is that? Oh, this is adorable. Probably one of the cutest things I've gotten so far. And it's so happy. Oh, this is a cute little bowl. Look at this. Unless this can focus maybe. It's so sparkly. This is adorable. I love this. I will totally use this. I don't know for what, but I will use it. Oh, and then this has like a little like, you put like food in it, like a little lunch box on the go. Healthy portion box. This is so cute. You can put snacks in here. Take it in your purse. This is probably one of the cutest boxes so far. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Isn't that adorable? And like the glitter moves in it. That's adorbs. Oh, I love this. You can get quite a few in this box. That is so cute. Alright, next, these are kitchen sponges. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I have a fish one too that I got in these. I cannot wait to use all these cute little sponges. They're gonna make cleaning actually like fun because they're cute. And then I got this cute little cork board. That's cute. Wonder what I use this for. But it's cute. And then the last thing I got is this super cute letter set. And it has like a little back that you can write on too. How fun is that? Little stickers here, little notepad here, and I'm guessing a notebook here. That is so adorable. I got really cool stuff in this box. This is probably one of my favorites I've ever gotten because I literally like everything that came in it. I usually don't like one or two things that I've been getting lately. Some boxes I only like one thing in it, but I like literally every, oh, these are envelopes. These are envelopes, what you write your letter on. And then your little stickers to close it, I think. Oh my gosh, how adorable. I'm gonna have to write some letters. Actually, I have a lot of those to do. You will know why soon. Okay, so cool. So we got little notes, sponges, cork board, cute little sparkly keychain, little lunchbox holder thing. How many things can I hold in one hand? A little bowl. And this awesome little hat. I love this. I love literally all of this. This is all so freaking cute. Like, yes, I am about this box 100,000%. As I'm like not looking. Super into it. Super about it. I will use literally all of this and be so stoked. But yeah, so that is everything I got in my June Yume box. I hope July's comes in July. I know this came in June, at the very end of June, so that's why I always get them out late, and I also have literally not filmed. Well, I have filmed one other video that will be going up soon. It's just gonna take me a while to get it done, but it's coming for you guys. My boyfriend and I filmed a video together for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you like any of this stuff or think it's cute, or if you get a Yume box and what you got in it, because I'm pretty sure this stuff is different in all of them, but I'm not really sure. I need to like go watch more videos of other people's and see, but yeah. Love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!